Hey guys, it's me Draven, and today I got glasses. Just my sister in another video that I recently uploaded. My dorky sister. She got black and yellow glasses. And we are going to be learning how to make a really cool airplane that I designed, and it's called the spinning airplane. Oh no. Okay. So it's right here. Oh no. Sorry guys. Trying to get it all set. I have to pause you for a sec. Okay, so I got it now. And yeah, it's the spinning airplane. Yeah, it flies pretty good. And Caesar, my dog, will chase after it. Look. I'll throw it down the hall. Go get it, boy! Woohoo! A little bulldog with a paper in his mouth. Go turn on the lights. Here. Go. Hey, bulldog. Hey, so what called bulldog? You just chewed on my airplane. How dare you? I mean, just how dare you? Okay, so, yeah. Sorry about that, but let's get to the origami that I made. So, I'm putting you on my phone holder. Hopefully you can see me. Okay. So, first off, like this, we are going to fold our paper in half. Better to do on a flat surface, but I'm just doing it this. I don't have a phone, Okay, so now you have a crease in the middle. Now, sideways, not normal, but you fold it into the center crease on both sides, sideways. So the paper's still it's like an airplane, but you're kind of reversing it. Let me show you. So, how do I do this? Oh yeah, I have a flat surface right here. Good thing. Caesar, you're not getting my... Oh, no. I didn't do... Don't fall. I said don't fall. Don't fall, I said. Yeah, don't fall. No! You can't have my paper! Really, he chewed on it. Okay. I will be right back. So it's like that. Okay, guys. And this is the tricky part. The only tricky part. It's not even a tricky part, though. So, you have to fold this part up like that, so it looks something like that, but in the middle, on both sides. So, let me put you on my phone holder again, once more. Yabba-dabba-doo. Okay, don't wobble. So, it will look, trying to make the fold, that's a little bit tricky. And make sure to subscribe, so it can help me doing more origami, so it can inspire me to do more origami. I only have 7 subscribers right now, okay? Are you guys freaking kidding me? Only 7 subscribers. I've seen people with no videos and they have 10 subscribers. Probably because they have been on YouTube for a long time. Okay, so it looks something like this. And it kind of looks like a torch. I don't know. Like if you hold it like that, you just cut off this piece, but You actually do have to cut off this little triangle right here on both of them. So it looks like that. And then, like an airplane, you have to fold the sides over to the edge. On the other side. So it looks something like this.